Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Vinted website and I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you post items for selling on your Vinted profile. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your preferred web browser and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile. From the home page in the top right corner, click on the Sell Now button. And now this is the page where you configure and customize your item specifications, from uploading your photos to your title to your description, category and price. Once you fill all of those in, you will click on upload and your item will up to sale. So once anyone buys your item, you will get a notification and will be able to get paid as well as to ship that item to that person. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.